Well, folks, Jalebi has been my favorite. It's just in the puja season. It's Durga Puja season. So it has been my favorite from my childhood. I like both the versions, the ghee version as well as the oil version. Actually, it's fried in oil as well as in ghee. So it's very tasty. It's a bit tangy, sweet, crunchy. Wow, feel that. You just have when you come to India or Asia or any part where you find jalebi or jalebi, you just have to taste this. This is really beautiful. The taste is so awesome, but you make sure you're not a sugar patient. You're not having diabetes because it's very sweet. So I'll be dunking the GoPro footage right now. I took with this selfie stick as well as the GoPro. I'll start editing right now. Well guys, within 8 minutes I'll have to finish. So it's Dashami today and I'm not in the place where Raavan is burned. So I'm not in that place. Instead I'm in a lonely place, kind of lonely road today. Everything is closed and I'm here for a special vlog about Jilapi, that's what we say, and it's also known as Jalebi and Zulbiya, Mushabak and Zalabiya. It's made with plain flour and they make a kind of paste kind of thing and they deep fry it in either oil or in ghee and then they dip it into sugar. So I'll now show the procedure in a B-roll. So I don't have much time left, only 5 minutes because the memory card is getting full right now. So I'm walking towards the making of jalebi and I'll show you. There it starts the B-roll. So I got 9 minutes to shoot, 2 minutes still left, and I got the B-roll and I'm heading towards home. There was crowd a bit. That's the reason why I put the mask. The only reason I didn't go to the crowd for Dashami, like burning the Raavan or something like that, because it's COVID time. So I'm getting inside the car. It's damn hot and I have to head home and I'm going home right now. I hope you like the B-roll. I hope you like the whole vlog. It's a very small vlog and do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also smash it, crush it if you want. So till the next video, bye bye. See you there. See you there after the editing. Any questions and queries, comment section, feel free.